We're not saying financial institutions are bad or evil,
Right.
but they are working in their self-interests.
Right.
And so it's good to know what their
Yeah.
self-interests are. And
And they can be good tools,
Yep.
right? It's like I use a bank.
Yeah.
I use a bank for all of my money, and it's a great tool.
Yeah.
But it's only a great tool when you understand how to use it and how they're operating, so you can make the best possible decisions.
Right. So, I mean, I've had clients say, well, why don't I just do what they're doing with the money and not use them? And insurance is a good example, right?
Mhm.
So life insurance as an example. Why using them is beneficial versus trying to do it on our own? Well, number one, they're multi-billion-dollar companies. We're not multi-billionaires. Some of them are trillionaires,
Right.
the companies. And so they can invest in things that just aren't even possible for us to invest in.
Right.
Number one. And then number two, there's something called the law of large numbers. And so statistics, for those who are statisticians that might listen to this, they'll love this part, right? Statistics don't apply actually to you and I individually very much. Like we can't say, well, there's a 50% chance that I'm going to become disabled or 30% chance in my working career. No, you're either going to or you're not. Like it's going to be yes or no.
Right.
But if you're an insurance company and you insure thousands or tens of thousands or hundreds of thousands of people, you can use an economic principle called the law of large numbers. And they can actually predict how many people are going to become disabled in that group and for how long. They don't know which ones specifically,
Sure.
but they can predict with pretty good accuracy how many people are going to become disabled or people who are going to die.
And at what age
certain
they're going to
ages.
die.
Yep.
Yeah.
Yep, exactly.
For sure. That makes a lot of sense.
And we can't do that. And there's an economic benefit to them being able to do that. So in other words, we can't self-insure on that. We can't be like, well, I'm just going to invest in the things they invest in. Well, you still don't have the law of large numbers on your side.
Yeah. Yeah, that's actually really fascinating to understand how they operate and how they make money and how that works. It's just, it all has to do with statistics,
Mm-hmm.
right? It's like you pay this many people, and statistically this many people are going to die by this age, which means that I will have enough money to pay out all these people
That's right.
and take some for myself, which is
Yep.
great. And I'm grateful for that.
Yeah.